Hey, Chris, it's like the whole month. You could just say that at any given moment, and it's probably true. We have some snow on the way. That's how February is shaping up, at least anyway. So right now, as we take a look, we're still cloudy in New York City, 29 degrees, winds out of the north at 5 miles an hour, but we do have some snow on the way. It's not a huge event for us, certainly not what we saw last week. This one won't even be what we saw on Sunday when it comes to places like New York City and the immediate surrounding areas. Certainly cold enough to snow. We have temperatures in the teens and 20s. We're at 29 degrees for Central Park, feeling like 24 when you factor in the wind. So it is definitely cold out there this morning, but that's kind of been the case for the past few days, so nothing new there. Our temperature trend, we were at 33 degrees on Sunday, 29 degrees yesterday. Today's forecast high 35. Right, so one of the warmer days that we'll see this week, because temperatures, not by much, but goes down. They go down, the temps go down a little bit for Wednesday and Thursday. 40 degrees, that's what the National Weather Service considers normal. We obviously don't get there during this work week. So the cold stretch continues. So we're starting to see the snow falling. For some, it's flurries. For others, some lighter snow showers that we're seeing. So things start to pick up here and ramp up over the next 2 to 3 hours. But again, this is going to be a snow event for our northern and western suburbs. You can see that we do have, quite a bit of moisture with this system. It's fairly fast moving, though. It moves in this morning, and we are expecting the system to exit the area today. So we don't really deal with it for that long. Turning on your FUTURECAST, this is 8 o'clock in the morning. So you can see where the snow is and isn't, right? Not in New York City, not across most of northern New Jersey or Long Island, not in central and southern New Jersey. So we don't see a lot of activity with this system early. While it gets really ramped up for our northern suburbs, we start to see some snow, but also some mixing already. Looks like by about 10 o'clock in the morning, and we'll see some additional rain this afternoon. And then the whole system starts to exit the area. This particular FUTURECAST model run has this system exiting the area as early as 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and certainly being out of here by 7 o'clock tonight. So again, a fairly fast moving system. When it's all said and done, we have this narrow band here where we'll see a trace to 3 inches of snow, but for some, you pick up maybe an inch, a slushy sort of coating to an inch, because again, we will see some rain mixing in. It is to the north where people will once again have to break out their shovels. Of course, we are also watching a system for Thursday. Now, this particular system looks like it's really going to be to our south, so we're on the northern fringe of that, which would mean some snow, but also because we're so on the fringe, it doesn't look at this point anyway like we have a tremendous snow event that we're looking at right now. We're still at about a 40% chance that we will see snow out of this system Thursday into Friday, but of course we continue to keep you posted. How much snow? Not impressive if you look at that particular model. The GFS also not terrifically impressive either. So it doesn't look like a big snow event, but it does look like at this point we'd see more snow for South Jersey than we will see north. 35 degrees today with mixed precipitation, so it will be cold and a little bit messy with that wintry weather. With that, I'll send it back to you.
Okay, Elise, thanks.